TradingView. You've heard the name, you've seen the charts, but how do you actually use it to make a profit? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the essentials, straight to the point, so you can start trading smarter. First, you need a clean workspace. Open a chart for any asset, stocks, crypto, or forex. You can search for a symbol at the top left. Now, look at your toolbar. The first thing you want to do is set your time frame. Are you a day trader? Use the 5 or 15-minute charts. A swing trader? Go for the 4-hour or daily. The chart type is also important. Candlestick charts are the standard for a reason. They show you the open, high, low, and close price for each period, giving you a clear picture of market sentiment. Now for the tools that make the difference. Head to the indicators button at the top. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with 2 or 3 powerful ones. A moving average can help you identify a trend. A simple 50-period exponential moving average, or EMA, is a great start. When the price is consistently above it, you're in an uptrend, below it, a downtrend. Next, a momentum indicator like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The RSI tells you if an asset is overbought or oversold. A reading above 70 suggests it's overbought and might be due for a pullback, while a reading below 30 suggests it's oversold and could be ready to bounce. You don't trade on indicators alone, but they give you context. Finally, learn to use the drawing tools. Trend lines are your best friend. Draw them to connect highs in a downtrend or lows in an uptrend. They help you visualize support and resistance levels. This is where you turn information into profit. You have your chart, you have your indicators, and you have your trend lines. Look for a confluence of signals. For example, you see the price pulling back to a key support level you drew with a trend line. At the same time, the RSI is hitting that oversold area below 30. This is a potential buying opportunity. You can then use the built-in long position or short position tools to manage your risk. They let you set your entry, your profit target, and your stop loss, showing you exactly what you stand to gain or lose. Remember, a profitable strategy isn't about guessing. It's about combining tools to find high probability setups and then managing your risk. Practice with TradingView's paper trading feature. It's free and you can trade with fake money to test your skills without risking a single dollar.